Do you have a door that is dragging when you close it? I'm gonna show you how to fix it coming up. So first you need to figure out what the problem with the door is. Mine is dragging here on my jamb, but the bottom will go in, which tells me it's wider at the top than it is at the bottom. Or, you know, the gap is narrower at the top, you know. So then we're gonna move over to this side. I don't know if you can tell how big the gap is here compared to how small it is down there. So we're gonna go to this hinge right here. And first thing you want to do is pop the pin. So we're going to pop our pin out here. Like so. And then you can take, they make actually a little jig for this, which I have somewhere, but channel locks work. You want to take, we know that the 3 pins are on the door. So you can either do the 3 or you're going to actually end up having to do them both. But what you want to do is take your channel locks, grab that barrel on the 2 pin side, on the door side, and you just want to roll him around a little bit. Then get the bottom one, roll him around a little bit. Make sure you got it both sides. And then you can test to see if that's enough. That will the door close with that much? Ours will not. So we need to go a little bit more. There. Now we know the door will close. When you drop your pin back in here, like so, and there you go. Once you adjust your hinges, he'll close like you want to. So there you go. That's how you adjust hinges. Thanks for watching. Till next time, keep making dust.